So we are currently on currency number 5 of my collection. How cute is this? But it's super expensive. Francs are so expensive. What kind of currency conversion is that? Nibo. Bonjour from Switzerland or Switzerland, whatever they call it. They speak French and German here, and I think I'm gonna lean more towards the French. I love the tile. It's so cute. It's a bit. It looks a bit outdated. Okay. And chocolate. Let's see the most important thing. Doesn't look like there's a nice view. No. I love the trees. This is a good artwork. I am obsessed with water bottles from countries. Super obsessed. I love that there's a coffee machine here. What selection do I have? I'm going to the shoppies now. I'm going to the shoppies and I'm wearing this red cute tee. How cute is that? Johannesburg has the cutest dresses. They say the shopping center is right there, so I'm just gonna go there. Let's go to the store. Oh, hey there. I was gonna pop. I think it's first floor. Hi ladies, sorry. The lady explained to me how to get to the supermarket, but I forgot. Is it what? Sorry. The supermarket? It's Aldi? Yes. Oh, okay. Aldi. Alright, thank you so much. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Okay, the weather is actually amazing. Oh my gosh. I hope I don't get lost. Oh, I see the bridge. Okay. It's pretty easy. It's actually cold. Citron. How do you say this?
Cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. It's summer, it's summer.
Okay. Name is Aldi. I thought they said Aldi. Aldi. Sis.
You'll try to come back when you faint. I always wanted to, but it's dangerous. You got something real hot, babe. You got to stop.
I'm
It's
scared.
something. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you're famous. I always wanted to, but it's dangerous. You got something real hot, babe. You wanna get with me, stop. Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. And like guns with the aching, yeah, getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga convinced, got me too excited. Yeah, you playing some things and I think that I can find it. You might have done this before, this can't be the first time. We might have been before, but still fresh on my mind. I'm looking for some things and I think that I can find it. You got that shit that somebody will love for, but won't find. You might have done this before, this can't be the first time. Looking for some things and I think that I can find. Oh baby, oh baby, oh yeah, oh yeah. Why is this so funny? Oh yeah, oh yeah. Just say it already. Oh yeah, oh yeah. You wanna get with me? Stop it.
Ever since I came back from Australia, I've been comparing every grocery store to that Woolworths, which is really unfair because, I mean, come on, every country has their own way of producing food. But anyway, I bought these canned pepper shots for my throat. I bought some aloe vera water or drink, whatever, that I last saw in South Africa. I bought some smoothies. It's standard procedure for me to buy milkshake, darling, and some berries. They looked very fresh. I left the strawberries. They were too gigantic. And if I'm not buying chocolate in Switzerland, I have to buy cheese at least. And I bought some water. This is dragon fruit. I'm assuming that's dragon fruit. Yeah, and I bought some Thai curry crisps that I want to try. I always love Thai flavors. And I have polenta in here, polenta. And actually, I don't know where Aromat is from. I saw it and I was like, whoa, this reminds me of home. This looks like it's originally from here. I don't know. How did I just pay that much? When I bid for a flight to Switzerland, I did not research the cost of living here. How is it that I pay 100 Qatari reals for McDonald's? Where do you see that? Like, shook it. You know, I'm sure my bank account is looking at me like, girl, did you even think of us when you made that decision of bidding for Switzerland? Did you? Because wow, kuyabiza. It is super duper expensive here. Okay, this is the front. They charge for everything here. They charged me for this. It was 30 CHF. I mean, 30 cents. But still, why do you charge me for this? Seriously. This regular looks really large. Like a fish fillet. I'm not feeling like beef tonight. I'm actually glad that I took some workout clothes with me because I am having the laziest layover and my body actually hurts now because of being in bed the whole time. So I'm just gonna squeeze in a workout or two or a bit of a stretch because I won't lie and say I work out. I never work out. And I don't condone it. It's just being lazy and I have to stop being lazy.
Your plan is intricate, weave together perfectly. It unfolds, and I need you each moment.
Printed with soy ink. What is soy ink, guys? This is pretty much my everyday makeup look. The first step is to use this Urban Decay all-in-one dewy primer, and then I go in with the 2 shades of the It Cosmetics as well as the concealer under my eyes. I use a highlighter from Kiko. I use sometimes eyeshadow. It's from Kiko. I use a MAC powder. Anastasia for my brows. It's a brow gel. I use Fenty blusher and a Gucci lipstick, as well as Caristis mascara and an Urban Decay setting spray. Last but not least, the banana setting powder that I forgot which brand it's from because it has been run down.
Draw me close, darkness loses its hold on me.
See you in Johannesburg. So I'm starting my treatment now. I'm a bit nervous. So this is the before. My skin's not that bad. It's really not that bad. But Numa, I will hold you on to the promise that you gave me. I didn't say that. You should be fine.
It might tingle a bit in certain areas.
Yeah, it does tingle. Ngiyakhuluma ngomZulu nje impela. Kanje. Nguphuma silwe. Angithi nithi abeZulu amaZulu uphuma silwe. Yeah.
But ayikufanelanga le language.
Ayikufanelanga ayibusho ukuthini? What do you? Just because angihlala yinifanele. Ay sana. No. Uyangizwa nje noma ngikhuluma ukuthi ngiyazwakala ukuthi ngumZulu nje impela.
Yeah. But mawukhuluma isilungu.
Ah?
Mawukhuluma isilungu.
Yeah. Lutho angeke usho ukuthi ngumZulu? Hayi bo uyangisukela. Are you QR?
Yes.
Same. I'm leaving at. You tired? What time did you come in? Just came? Oh, okay. At least go out and then get tired.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's my pickup in the morning.
Okay, that's
If I didn't come here,
yeah.
I didn't sleep.
You won't wake up until
wake up,
tomorrow
I will-
morning. Yeah. Yeah, just go now.
Human rights.
Human rights. Saying is in and I'm South African. I feel so embarrassed. Yeah, because you know when you stay outside the country, you forget a lot of things. Yeah, I forgot it's human rights.
The box.
It's so cute, right? It's like tiny. I've never seen it. When did they start having those? And when did they start having those? Because I've never seen that. No, but honestly, it's only been what? I'm from KZN. It's like 3 hours away from here. So I need hot gel because my nails break a lot. So they break a lot. Sure, the only day I can go to Upside, it's closed. Oh my gosh, what a bummer. The main reason why I'm here. In the Middle East, there's always only iwisa, so I'm gonna try and take White Star because I haven't had White Star in a while and I forgot how it tastes actually. Even Ace, I forgot how it tastes, so I don't know which one to take. I think I'll take White Star. Yeah. Oh! It's also something I'm looking for. When last I just came back from Spar. I'm taking this to Doha. It expired 27th of March. Sure, I have only a few days. What's today? Of the show. This is the start of the show. I'm gonna be packing this now. Then I bought samp and beans. Oh, can't wait to cook this with the tribe that I bought. And I bought, I don't know this, but it's tissue oil body butter. Tissue oil body butter, I hope it's good. Like curlies. And I just bought pies to eat now because I have a flight. I think one I'll eat on board. I don't know, I've been craving this for the longest time. We don't have pie in Doha. In Dubai they do have it, but not in Doha. So I bought some steak and kidney, which I haven't had in a long time. And I bought chicken and mushroom. I don't know which one to start with. They are so good. Basically, there's a pigmentation restoration cream. There's a, what is this? A serum. There's a calming face wash if you have like breakouts and stuff like that. And how many mils is this? 30 mils. That's very, very small. And a soothing cream as well. And they have, I like the packaging. It looks very nice. And they have a hydrating sunscreen. The items look very, very nice. They look like the packaging. I like it so much. It looks very aesthetic. I'm actually very worried about my bread because I don't know if we can reach Doha with it not being squashed. I'm hoping so because this, I'm gonna close this and I hope it doesn't squash it. I'm so worried. Two beds, always have one for organization and one to sleep. That's the best of both worlds. And the bathroom looks quite modern. Yes, I think I like it. It looks quite modern. Show me your face. Don't show me your face. Okay, and I love the marble tiling. It's cute. There's ample lights coming in. I can see myself there. Let's scan the room. Okay. Oh my gosh, they have a shoe shine. I love shoe shine. I'm gonna use it tomorrow. What is that? I heard something. Hair dryer, I will need it. Have braids on. What is that? Alright. There is like something moving, and they have a mini fridge. Looks like it was supposed to be a mini bar service, but it's not. I think this is an ice bucket. Okay. I just wanna sleep. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. And someone is watching me. Is this watching me? Oh my gosh, they have hot chocolate. This is the first place that I actually get hot chocolate. That is so cool. Okay. English breakfast is the standard. Oh, they have rooibos. What? They have rooibos. Oh my gosh, I'm a happy child. And they have a mango tea. Wow. Okay, I like their selection. Sanbona la pekaya, si yanini bingelela la pekaya, la pekaya, la pekaya. So I was putting on my dress and it ruined my edges. Now I look kind of like I look, what's the word? Anyway, guys, I looked cute, I promise. Is this cute? Is it cute if I put like a claw here and just hold like this? Is it cute? Or it's cute like this? Or it's cute as like a bun? I think a bun is always classy. So maybe we can just do a little bun. It looks like a worked out. This is a face of a girl who just clocked out. And I clocked out and I clocked into Stockholm. I just want to go and take a walk around and see what I can not do, because I don't want to do anything, but I definitely do want to eat. Of course I should eat. And what else am I gonna do? So when I was in Switzerland, and yeah, my bank, son, I'm sure my bank was like, I feel like today I'm gonna have the same dilemma, and I hope it's cheaper, but like according to what I heard, it's the same thing. So let's just go and see what we can afford in Stockholm. I look cute while doing that. I like it because it's not hugging. Like, you can see how much space there is here. Breathing room. Come with me. How cute is my bag? It's watching me. I bought it at Daiso. It's so cute. Not even allowed to. Oh, it's closed. Oh no, I have to take stairs. I know.
Got the whole world in your hands, but you still reaching out for me. Ooh, wow, why you love me too? I'm nothing like you. Opposite of holiness was what I was, but I'm to you. Till I saw land, could you see why? Hold my hand high, could you see I? Till you see me, I'm a warm star, could you see me? And now I'm better and better. No longer what I used to be better.
So I just got my order and I feel like I don't want to sit here because it's kind of busy and it's kind of in the way. So I'm gonna just go to the room here, California Raw. I'm not really comfortable sitting here with everybody walking around, you know. It's a nice place to watch planes take off.
It's making me better. I'm turning a new thing. It's making me stronger. That's just in my life for you.
And here's a moose. I did not know. This is me tapping out. I'm like, no, I cannot spend more than this. But this is food, so that's okay. Now I'm just going back to my room because I cannot go overboard.
And he paid me too. Things I used to do that I shouldn't do. All of them he took. Now I lift my eyes to the sky.
Indulge, and I bought a Caesar salad. I think this is exactly what I ate in somewhere. And I bought this cutesy Swedish. I love Sweden. I need these kind of bags, and they're very convenient, you know, to carry things, you know. So even going to the gym, you can just carry this. So. It's so good.
This level of inhlupheko izivele emotweni is a privilege manje lokuba nemoto, but le nhlupheko ayithine ngathi ingayifithinga zethu sibe i-generation ephromaketanye busuku masibhorekile you break chains. When you're out of conversations with your husband, with your boyfriend, you break chains. Can we be a generation that's fighting away, fighting against this poverty chain that we've been stuck in for years and centuries? No more, guys. And I think our parents did such a good job because of us.
Not me stripping that bed cover and adding it here. It's so cold here. And I'm wearing a hoodie. We are bandishim. And I still feel a bit cold. What is this? This is my new fave. I love her. I love her. She's so real, you know? I feel like she's very relatable. Anyway, ha 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 ha. I get back. Holy Ghost, we're so glad you are here. We're so glad you are here. We're so glad you are here. Why?